How to enable and disable search indexing in Windows 10 and 11. Search on Windows is powerful, but it doesn't have to slow down your system. Let's walk through how to enable and disable search indexing in Windows 10 and 11 using multiple methods. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. If you're using Windows 10 or 11 and want to fine-tune your system's performance, managing search indexing can make a real difference. Indexing is what lets Windows search your files quickly. It creates a database of file details, names, paths, and even metadata, so the system doesn't need to scan your drives from scratch every time. Disabling search indexing temporarily. Let's start with how to pause indexing if you're noticing a slowdown. Open your Settings app. On Windows 11, navigate to Privacy and Security, Searching Windows. On Windows 10, go to Search, Searching Windows. Scroll down and click on Advanced Indexing Options, then select Pause. Keep in mind, this only stops indexing temporarily, usually for about 15 minutes. Permanently disabling indexing via services. For a more permanent approach, press Win+R, type services.msc and hit enter. Scroll to Windows Search, right-click it, and select Stop. To keep it disabled after a reboot, go to Properties and set Startup Type to Disabled. This will affect search from the Start menu, taskbar, and even apps like Outlook, so be aware of the trade-offs. Re-enabling indexing. To turn indexing back on, revisit the Services Manager, set the startup type to Automatic Delayed Start, then click Start. Advanced configuration tips. You can also customize what gets indexed. Return to Advanced Indexing Options, click Modify to choose folders that are indexed. Click Advanced, then go to the File Types tab to limit by extension. You can even change where the index is stored or reset it to resolve issues or inaccurate results. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable and disable search indexing in Windows, linked in the description below.